Hey guys, General Mechanic, and today I want to share with you guys this video because I got a video on how to replace the camshaft on a 2005 Honda Odyssey, and I've been getting a lot of inquiries and questions. Some people trying to say that I didn't do what I said on the video. I did. So today I would like to get to the bottom of this and show you guys. I got an engine out here. It's out of a 2005 Honda Pilot. It's actually the same engine, and as you can see right there, I got the cam sensor looking at me. Of course, that in the car you're gonna have the intake, but still the intake doesn't come out farther than this position right here, so you still gonna have the same access that I will have right now. I have removed the power steering pump as on the other video I showed, and so I'm gonna get to it. Okay, the tools I got, it's 8mm wrench, non-ratcheting, because I don't know if the ratcheting wrench is gonna but it's gonna have access to that. But I still got one ratcheting wrench in my hand. So I'm gonna set the camera right here real quick, and I'm gonna get to it. Okay. I haven't done anything to it, and of course that this is gonna be a long time video, or however long it takes me to get it out, show it to you guys, and put it back in there. That's how long this video is gonna be. So please bear with me, and we'll get to it. Okay, I'm gonna set the camera somewhere right here. Hopefully that. Yeah, I know you're gonna be seeing my fingers, my hands moving in there, but I'm gonna get to it. Okay. First, I'm gonna try to break the bolt loose. I'm doing great. How you doing, sir? So once I get I got the bolt loose, all I gotta do is squeeze my finger on the bolt and slide it this way. Okay. Of course, that if it falls from there, this is an open slot all the way to the other side of the cylinder. You see the wrench, so it's not gonna fall inside of the engine. You don't have to worry about that. Get a magnet and pull it out of there. But no need for the ratcheting wrench. You can see I'm turning it with the finger, so that's all you need. We are trying to get the bolt out. That's what we're trying to do. Get to it. I know this little job right here calls for patience. Okay, it ain't something that you expect to be done in 20 minutes. Now, another thing I'm gonna tell you, don't get me wrong, but this angle that I have right here, you're not gonna have it the way the position I'm working on. Okay, it's gonna be a little bit more different. You probably won't even see the sensor, because there's hardly a space to look behind the head right here. But you can do something. You can use a camera and or a phone like this, and don't look at the hole right here, but look at the screen, and you should be able to see what you're doing. Because right now this phone is got a decent angle that you or anybody can see what I'm doing right here. Okay, so check it out. I got the bolt out. Okay, you see, this is the bolt. So now it's time to wiggle. Okay, what we gotta do, if you have the timing cover off, of course you can do that. Take this little piece of cover right here. It only has five bolts, and you should be able to get it out. Now you can reach right here through this sprocket and push the sensor out. Okay, push it out. You see? I think that's as far as the sensor is gonna come out. Okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lean it down. Okay? I'm gonna lean it down like that. And I'm gonna keep pushing. Okay? You see this tab right here? Where the bolt goes? That's what we need to pry a little bit on. Okay? Like this. And it's eventually gonna come out. You see? I got it out. I didn't do too much pressure to it. Okay? The sensor is coming out. Check it out. Okay? You see the position I'm pulling it out? This is the position you should put it in. Now, I don't think I gotta move the camera to show you the angle that I got it out. I'm gonna try to stick this through there. You see? I got it out, okay? So, this is the sensor, guys. Cam sensor. 2005 Honda. 3.5. This is the way to take it out. So what we're gonna do now is gonna put it back in there, okay? Just to show you that it's possible to do it this way. Now, you've seen that this is the way that came out, okay? This is the way that the sensor got out of the hole. Same way we gotta put it in there. You see that? I got it in there. So what we're gonna do, we're not gonna do too much pressure, okay? You see that? It's about to slide in. It's barely pressure what we gotta do to it in order to go in the hole. Right, I think we gotta face it down a little bit more. Like this. Yeah, like that. Okay, that's the way it should go in. Okay, you won't be able to put it in and slide it in if the connector is facing too high. The connector is gonna be facing down like this in order to be able to slide it in. Okay. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna put the bolt back in the hole. I got this bolt. You gotta put it in the hole. Just check it out. This is what I do. Put my finger here and hold it with the other hand right here. Find the hole of the sensor first, and then once we got the sensor, the bolt through the sensor, you can move the sensor up and down in order to find the hole in the timing plate back there. Once we get it started, it's easy as cake. Same thing, same process. Slide the finger through it. The bolt is gonna screw in. Alright, we're gonna do this. Dándole, mi hermano. Once we get it all down in there, we just gotta tighten that bolt up. Okay, that is what it takes to replace the cam sensor on the 3.5 Honda engine 2005. So I hope that you find this helpful. If you like the video, don't forget to leave thumbs up, subscribe for more, as I got more videos coming in the future. Thanks and have a great day.